got my servos in on my plank. I just wanted to show them really quick. They're these really nice little KST X10s. They look like this. They do at 2S, 8.4 volts, which I'll be running. They do 7.5 kilograms. That's where they fail. That's about 264 ounces, or a little over 16 pounds. Really happy with them. They have, of course, I didn't use it, but a lot of times servos come with these super long leads, and then I end up cutting off, and these come with like a nice little shorty cable. I like it a lot. And they come with pretty standard stuff. So what I've done first is I made up a little wooden frame, screwed them in, and I've got the thing taped up pretty well, which I'll show you why in a second. And essentially that's just gonna drop in there like that. Mix up some epoxy with some filler around the bottom, squish it in there, put it around the sides. And I have actually already done that here. So using some 5-minute epoxy and this Cavasil, it's some kind of silica powder. Definitely want to wear a mask. Makes up a thick, almost not dripping kind of glue. Put it around the bottom, squished it down, put it around the top, and so that is totally locked in there, not going to be going anywhere. Some time ago from a loft, which I have their sticker there to cover my mistake I made, I picked up some of these servo covers. I'm going to paint it. This one will basically drop down right there. It'll make a nice cover over that hole, and I'll just trim it right there, and that'll be pretty cool. I don't know, I'll probably stick it down with a little bit of goop or something, not really sure. So that's the servo situation. I still need to put this end on, but got both control surfaces hinged. I need to make the control horns out of some of that carbon fiber I had in the last video. I also got some nice 2mm steel rod, and I was just seeing how my my Z bender does. Grab it here. This guy, it was a little tough, and that's not a lot of room in that direction. I think if we were to compare it, I think it'll have enough room to not bind up, but I'll have to be careful with that. So the other wing, I have the 4-ounce S-glass laid out. Need to start cutting it up. My event, the yearly event I was preparing this for, isn't going to happen this year, so I've kind of slowed down in my construction. Plus I am considered an essential worker at a health facility, so I'm still working. But that is what's going on right now with 4-meter plank. Stay safe.